So next up we have is a Hampton Bay Princeton, and it's in white and brass, and it's in the guest house at my friend's house. And this, she took the other Princeton down back in June. Now it's gonna be a surprise. So the Hampton Bay Princeton is another Hampton Bay fan that I enjoy because of its 5 lights, and it's it is I think it blows the same amount of air as the Cameron 2 Plus. Oh, and this fan used to be had wobble problems, and it's finally gone. Used to wobble back. Doesn't wobble as much as before, but hardly wobbles at all now. This is an late 90s Princeton, which is one of the older fans she currently has installed. I love the Princeton because it's very childhood. Okay, I got this fan running on low. This one is on a 4-speed wall control. This is factory low now. This is medium factory and high factory. And we're doing reverse, both with the wall control low. This is factory low, factory medium, and factory high.